Finally, the first unboxing of the new year. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I've been sitting on these for like 2 or 3 weeks now. And the only reason I pulled the trigger is because one, I wanted to test this silhouette out, and two, Nike gave me a little birthday coupon, so I got these for under retail. And for whatever reason, this was a very popular shoe. Like every time they restocked, they sold out in my size at least. See the all red Nike box, nothing crazy. And the shoe in question, wow, it's the Nike Zoom Vomero 5. These are a lot brighter and lighter in person. Um, I didn't plan on matching the shoe. It just happened that way. I had no idea these were gonna be this bright. Wow, this is wow. I don't even know what to say. I got these for, I like to have variety in my sneaker collection as far as, silhouettes and colors. And as you can see, I don't have too many shoes this colorway. I don't have any of them that is like monochromatic. So I can wear these with my Tennessee Titans gear, or my ODU stuff. So I feel like it was a good cop, very wearable. They are extremely light in hand. Hopefully you enjoyed that on foot portion, and then I would, give you the sizing recommendations. But that's another reason, because there's a lot of colorways that I like, but I didn't know if I should stick with my 12 or go up to a 12 and a half. So let's see what happens with this. I really wanted the Dornbecker colorway. And, since I couldn't get those, I kind of just said forget this silhouette as a whole. But there are a lot of colorways. I definitely would rather cop under retail if I could. I didn't think this was going to be a shoe that sold out like it has. But apparently it's extremely popular. It's probably just a trend, But they have some dope colorways. They're definitely flooding the market with these. But let's go ahead and get into the quick review, man. It's the upper, you got a mix of mesh as well as like a textile leather material, I would say. The swoosh, you definitely get a vinyl. Then you get the cage, which is the plastic cage. I don't think there's any suede on the shoe. You get a little canvas wrapping around the heel. Yeah, it's basically just mesh, a little bit of canvas, plastic, vinyl. I think suede on this would be crazy. I think there might be a few pairs of suede, I'm not sure. But I guess it is technically a running shoe, so it's better breathability with the mesh. On the insole, you get the blue, the Lakeside blue, and it's a part of the Bowerman series. So that's something different. I don't think I've ever seen an insole with Bowerman in there. Okay, Nike, I guess they're trying something new. But it's not much you can say. I want to say you get hits of 3M throughout the upper as well, and then you get this plastic cage on the heel. But yeah, I mean, it's an all over blue shoe. Definitely gonna pop depending on what you wear them with. Let me know what y'all think about the Vomero 5, man. Is it worth the hype? Is it a trend that you think is gonna die down? I personally think it's a trend that'll probably die down soon. And you'll be able to get these dirt cheap like back in the day. I think these used to pop up at the outlet. But this is one of those, good throw on shoes, man. You can wear it with some track pants, the nylon windbreaker joints. You probably could wear these with jeans. Just a kick around airing shoe, That's just me personally. I know a lot of people, we think differently, so this might be like a going out shoe for people, but this depends on your style, man. But I'm a fan of these. And we'll see what happens in the future. I'm looking to add a few more of these to my collection. So that's gonna do it for this one, man. The first one out the gate, get the ball rolling. A lot of shoes coming out this year that I want. So especially in February, this is gonna be crazy. So stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for watching.